Want to create a digital version of yourself that looks and sounds just like you in minutes? I just built my own AI twin using HeyGen, and it literally only took a few minutes. Insane. And the best part? I am Karina's AI twin. Want to learn how? Keep watching. How insane the AI twin looks like. I mean, it's crazy. And I mean, when you look closer, you can still see that it is AI generated. But if you are wondering how you can obviously create one and you want to create one for either for your social medias or TikTok or Pinterest or Instagram Reels, and you don't want to be obviously recording and wasting your time just recording the videos, editing videos, cutting the videos, adding subtitles whatsoever, you can actually do everything in HeyGen, and I'm going to show you now how you can create your own AI twin literally in a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna share my screen now. So go to heygen.com. I will include link below the video, which is affiliate link. So obviously if you do sign up, I will earn a little commission, which will help me to run and create even better videos. You can have a free account, but you are extremely limited when it comes to how many videos and the length of the videos you can create. So I sign up with the creator account, which is $29 a month if you go monthly, or yearly is $24. I had a code which I found on Google, and I only pay like £15 for the first month, which is like $19. If I do find the code, I will put it all below the video, so you can try it. And yeah, it's actually really straightforward. So we go to obviously HeyGen, create your account, use the creator account, and then so when you log in, you will see this screen. Okay, so you have your dashboard here. So you have your home, you have your projects, you have your video agent, apps, create a team, avatars. So what you want to do is you click avatar here, and then you create your avatar. So you can see I have multiple Karinas because I was playing with different like different hoodies and stuff. So you can see my AI twin here with the white hoodie. Actually looks like me with this hoodie, but I dressed her, so you can actually dress your AI twin as well to different outfits without you actually changing the outfits, which is even more insane. So there is my this is my AI twin. So what you're going to do is you create new, because we want to create the avatar. With the creator, you only get one, but then you can actually add more credits and create more avatars. But for now, just to have your own AI twin, you're gonna click start from video, okay? And then you can watch this or you don't have to watch it. Then we go get started, and then you upload the video. So obviously, you can record yourself with the webcam, or you can upload video. Because I already have lots of content from my membership, I just uploaded the video. So let's go next. And then here you can upload the footage. Then you can record via phone or record via webcam. I know what I'm actually gonna upload something. So let's go browse the files. I'm just gonna find something quickly from my membership. So just to give you an idea, I'm just gonna choose this one. Okay, here is my video. I have remove background noise or AI background removal. Then you upload the video, you click next. Is this for an existing avatar? I'm just gonna click new avatar, click next. Obviously, because I need to verify it, so you only get one verified. I'm going for this instance without verifying, but you're not gonna be asked to do this. You will be just, this is gonna be skipped for you. So this is the video you're gonna see the next part when you upload your video footage or when you record your footage. So you just check in obviously environment, audio quality, but I am not using this audio. So because I have extremely strong Slovakian accent, I really struggled to clone my voice in HeyGen, but as well in 11 Labs. So you can actually, I don't know if you heard about 11 Labs, it's another kind of software, but more for voice cloning and using voices, like different voices. And I tried, but because my accent, it wasn't possible. So I found a way around it. Obviously, I'm just gonna ignore all of this. You can ignore those, like I keep moving. I keep using my hands too much, obviously, all the time when I talk. And then you click submit. And then obviously you're gonna wait for your video being uploaded, and then it's being created. You will also get an email that your avatar has been created. Obviously, it takes a couple of minutes. As you can see, it's now loading, but obviously I cannot use this one because I ran out of my credits because I already have one. So I am going back here. So my AI twin. So once I created obviously my avatar, so this is what I'm going to be seeing. So you can see it's creating the one here. Let's go for this one. This is my verified. So I'm gonna create with AI Studio. So once it's finished, obviously you're gonna see your avatar like me, like here. As you can see, I tried different voices. So here you can name your AI video. So put test AI video, for example. Now you have obviously option to choose which one. I'm just gonna use the verify one, the one we just uploaded. Yeah. Now here you have obviously I have voices. You can upload. You can create your new your voices. It will copy your voice, especially obviously if you are one of the voices that are uploading into HeyGen. So it will copy, or it should clone your voice as well. If you're American or in UK, or if you don't have as strong accent as I have, because obviously I'm originally from Slovakia, and yeah, my accent. So you have option obviously to use and edit your voice, or the other way around it, just to use my voice, is you record what your digital AI you want it to say, and then here where it says audio, you click on the audio and you can upload audio. So that's what I done. So I clicked and I uploaded the video you just seen at the beginning. So AI twin here. I click add audio, okay, and then obviously it transcribes it transcribes what I said, and then you could see preview. And instead of digital twin, I click avatar unlimited. And then it doesn't show you the map, the synchronization, only when you click generate. So the next thing you want to do is you click generate, okay? And now you can obviously, we already named it, add to files, click submit. And then you can see it's generating the videos. So it's generating the video here. But I'm gonna show you once the AI twin has been generated, like my twin here, click on it. And then let's watch it. So this is the video I put it at the beginning, which is insane. Like for obviously the YouTube videos and everything, it's great. And then when you want to use it, you just click download. The other thing, what you can do once you create in your videos, you can also change the format. So you can have it obviously for TikTok, for Reels, for Instagram, for short videos on YouTube like this. So what you do is obviously again we go create in AI Studio. And then you just change the resolution here. So you have 916, that's for obviously landscape or portrait for TikTok and stuff. You can also create your brand. I haven't added my logos or anything yet. I'm literally just playing with it. You have elements, you have option to add captions to your video, so you can get actually quite creative. So you don't have to do everything manually, like download the video, then to put it maybe in CapCut or upload it to Instagram Reels, add the captions. So you can actually do everything between HeyGen, which is pretty smart. And as you can see, it only literally took a few minutes. The other thing with here, when you have the avatars, obviously we have, oh, that one is verification. Yes. So the other thing, you have framing. So when you click on a frame, you have option to frame, and then you can have it in a circle. Now, obviously, because of the resolution, it's cut, but you can have it as well in a circle. If you are creating presentation, for example, in Canva, obviously you can have your AI to talk through the presentation, and you can just copy it and paste it, upload it onto Canva for the videos. But HeyGen actually does the presentations as well. You can add all the tags and everything. I haven't tested everything. I literally just wanted to create my AI twin, and I'm very pleased. Like I'm super excited about it. Yeah. And then the other thing I tried, but it gave me giant duck lips, is you can actually dress your AI twin to different things. So where are my avatars? So you can see like here, I uploaded a hoodie, and yeah, it added hoodie to my AI twin. So here underneath of your avatar, so when you go to your avatars, have option choose an identity to customize with new styles and themes. So you can choose your avatar, Okay, so I'm going for the verified. And here, describe to edit you would like to make to this look. Or you can also upload image of the outfit. So you can go to Google, you can find different outfits, you can download it, and then you upload it here. So you click reference image, and then you can upload. So I already uploaded this white hoodie here. So choose this one, and then add the white hoodie on, and let's see what happens now. There we go, it's generating. So obviously now you have these two images here, so it means it's generating. So we're gonna come back to it once it's generated. Okay, it's been generated. So I'm gonna choose here, create a video with my hoodie. I'm gonna change the frame to 9:16. Now I know I have to make it bigger. So I'm just gonna drag it like this. Okay. Make sure it sits in the center. I'm gonna add upload audio. I'm gonna add the one we used already. Add audio. I don't know if it's gonna give me another dark lips or not. It says fast. I'm gonna click Avatar Unlimited. Okay, and let's click generate and see what happens. AI twin white hoodie. See what happens here. Okay. So generating. Okay, so you can see it generated with the hoodie. So let's click on it, and I don't know what it's gonna look like. It looks so weird. Almost just like me. There we go. Okay, so it doesn't look the best. I mean, it looks quite square mouth and small mouth and the teeth, but it changed the hoodie, so that's the main thing. So, I mean, it doesn't look great, but it is what it is. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Obviously, don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna be creating more videos for AI, digital marketing, passive income, and other technical things, other software. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you soon. Okay, maybe more AI videos here coming your way. All right, see you later.